Stop wasting time and risking safety with outdated beam pocket methods. Old beam pockets create wood and foam waste, risk finger injuries, require welding, and worse, can delay the job. The beam pocket system replaces blockouts with a fast, easy, and permanent solution. One worker, 2 clamps, and 6 screws. No helper required. Pour the wall. No special steps required. Adjust the height as close as you can. After curing, simply set the beam in place. No digging or cleaning required. Install hold-down clamps and tighten. No welding, no shimming, no movement. Micro-adjust the beam perfectly every time. For a perfect structural load path, fill below the bearing plate with grout. Beam pocket saves time, improves safety, eliminates waste, and delivers lead-contributing performance. Contact us to bring the beam pocket system to your next project.